maintain none of that. It's not easy to be me. Hearing me through the radio, see me on your TV. That takes quality, high standard, and stability. I couldn't take on this journey alone. My friend them help me take out some of the crowd. But you have to know, it's not an easy burden, so don't try to take it all alone. I do studies or some word I learned, so you should know. Oh, so listen how the punchline go. I say, everybody get him chance one day, and everybody get a chance to fly away. Sometimes the early bird come out and you get the worm today. But I say, everybody get him chance one day, and life no sit for run one way. Sometimes sunshine and the wind come wash the tears away. Nobody is perfect. Nothing is too good for you to lose it. We were all born empty-handed. That's why everything is a possibility. Don't try to run from your true identity. Give thanks and praise to the Most High every day. And whatever may come your way, know that it was meant to be from your very first day. And I say, everybody get him chance one day, and everybody get a chance to fly away.